This right here is all frozen, solid frozen. And he's wanting to make me use this, thaw it out with hot water and cook. Unsanitary. I'm refusing to do it. I'm doing this so I can prove that everything is frozen solid as a rock, and to defrost it with hot water is unsanitary and unhealthy, and I will not do it. So if I get fired, this is my proof that all of our bites are froze solid, and there is nothing I can do about it, and I'm not going to serve people food that can make them sick. All this. All boneless, froze solid. Froze solid.